Hello, dear students. Today our topic is about term symbols or state symbols. Term symbols or state symbols. Generally, for every electronic configuration of atom or ion, every electronic configuration of any atom like hydrogen, helium, lithium, or any ion like lithium ion, sodium ion, whatever is the ion, there may be several states having each different values of the properties of angular momentum, spin momentum, energy, like that. Generally, these are expressed in terms of symbols called term symbols. They are called as term symbols. I will explain. I think you know very well about for any electron there is n value, L value, S value also. N is the principal quantum number, L is the azimuthal quantum number, S is the spin quantum number, and one more is there, that is called M. M is the magnetic quantum numbers. Okay, these are called the term symbols or state symbols of that particular electron configuration. Clear? Right. So these are very useful in discussing spectral transitions in atoms or ions. Spectral transition from one energy level to another energy level. One electron transferred to another energy level. So these term symbols are these symbols like these state symbols are used to explain the transitions, spectral transitions in atoms or ions. So generally the term symbol is denoted by 2s plus 1 Lj. It is denoted by 2s plus 1 Lj. Okay, you need to denote the term symbol like this, 2s plus 1 Lj. Okay, here what is S, what is L, what is J? Why? Because remaining two are constants. Okay, let us know what is S here. What is S? S is the total spin. S is the total spin angular momentum quantum number. Total spin angular momentum quantum number. So S is the total spin angular momentum quantum number. Is it okay? Right. What is L here? L is the total orbital angular momentum. L is the total orbital angular momentum. Okay. Next, remaining J. What is J? J is the total angular momentum quantum number. Try to observe here. L is the total orbital momentum, orbital angular momentum quantum number, orbital angular momentum quantum number. J is the total angular momentum. J is the total angular momentum. Here J is nothing but J is equal to L plus S. J is nothing but it is the L plus S. Means J is the total angular momentum. L is the total orbital angular momentum. So total orbital angular momentum plus spin angular momentum. Total spin angular momentum is the total angular momentum. Is it clear? So here what is S? S is the total spin angular momentum. L is the total orbital angular momentum quantum number. J is the total angular momentum quantum number. Okay, right. So here what is 2s plus 1? 2s plus 1 is the spin multiplicity. 2s plus 1 is the spin multiplicity. Okay, right. So this structure, which structure? 2s plus 1 Lj is called as the term symbol. Is the term symbol. So generally these term symbols are based on the quantum numbers. Are based on the quantum numbers. S is the spin angular momentum quantum number. L is the total angular momentum quantum number, total orbital angular momentum quantum number. J is the total angular momentum quantum number, and 2s plus 1 is the spin multiplicity. Okay, right. With this information, let us go through the topic. Okay, right. Just term symbols are based on the quantum numbers. Simple. Okay, term symbols are based on the quantum numbers. Okay, they are very useful in discussing the spectral transitions in atoms and ions. Is it okay? Right. Let us go to next concept. Generally, for completely filled or empty subshell contribute nothing to L or S. Try to understand. I will explain. Okay. For completely filled subshells, let us take a subshell. Okay. P shell, P subshell, which contains 3 p orbitals, px, py and pz orbitals. For completely filled subshells, completely filled means all orbitals are filled with electrons. Okay, all right. What is the point? For completely filled or empty subshells. Empty subshells means there are no electrons in p subshells. Okay, what is the point? For completely filled subshells or empty subshells. Case number 1 here and case number 2 is here. It is a completely filled subshell and it is empty subshell. Okay, what is the point? For completely filled or empty subshells contribute nothing to L or S value. L or S value. Try to understand. So, for this completely filled subshell, what is the L value for p orbital? For p orbital, what is the L value? L is equal to 1. We know very well. For s orbital, L value is 0. Is it okay? For p orbital, L is equal to 1. For d orbital, L equal to 2. Okay. For s orbital, L value means azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number, its value is 0. For p orbital, L value is 1. For d orbital, L value is 2. M values. How can you calculate M values? M is equal to 2L plus 1. M is equal to 2L plus 1. For example, for s orbital, what are the m values? 2 into L value how much? For s orbital 0 plus 1, that is equal to 2 into 0, 0 plus 1, so 1. So for s orbital, magnetic quantum number is only 1. So only one s orbital is there. So for this, L value is 0 and m value is only 1. So for m value 1, L value 0. Okay, right. Next, let us go for p orbital. For p orbital, m values how much? For p orbital, m values. M is equal to formula. What is the formula? 2L plus 1 for p orbital. 2L plus 1. Okay. 2 into. For p orbital, what is the L value? L is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1. 2L plus 1. Okay. How many m values are there? For p orbital, 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 magnetic momentum values are there. Okay. So for p orbital, m is equal to 3. So what are the L values? Plus L, 0, minus L. So these are the 3 magnetic momentum values for p orbitals. So plus L, 0, minus L. Plus L means L value how much? For p orbital, plus 1, comma 0, comma minus L value 1. So how many m values are there for p orbital? 3 m values are there. What are they? Plus 1, 0, minus 1. So for p orbital, plus 1, 0, minus 1. What are these? These are the L values. These are the L values. L values means azimuthal quantum values. Okay, right. For px orbital, L value is plus 1, py 0, pz minus 1. Same way, for these p orbitals also, plus 1, 0, minus 1. If you go for d orbital, m values. D orbital m values. How many are there? 2L plus 1. That is equal to 2 into L value. For d orbital, L value how much? 2. So 2 into 2 plus 1. That is equal to 5. How many m values are there? 5 m values are there. What are they? Plus L to 0 to minus L. Okay, plus L how much? Plus L plus 2, comma plus 1, comma 0, minus 1, minus 2. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many m values are there? 5 m values. What are they? Plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So for d orbital, how many d orbitals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for this, plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. What are these? These are the L values of d orbital. Okay, right, fine. So here, what is the point? Completely filled or empty subshells contribute nothing to L or S. What is L? L is the total orbital angular momentum. S is the total spin angular momentum. Okay. For completely filled orbitals, what is the L value here? For completely filled orbital, what is the L value? For each, plus 1. How many are there? 2 are there. 2 into plus 1 plus 2 plus how many are there? 2. For this L value 0. 2 into 0 0 plus how many? 2 electrons are there. Each electron minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus 0 minus 2. Total value how much? 0. So for completely filled subshell, total L value is 0. Clear? Right. For empty subshells, here no electrons are there. So L value 0. Plus here also no electrons are there. 0. Here also no electrons are there. 0. So L value 0. Okay. For completely filled orbitals or empty orbitals, L value is 0. If L value is 0, okay, keep it in mind. Let next one, S value is also 0. How S value is 0? Right. For any electron in an orbital, it may present in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. If clockwise direction, S value is plus half. If it is in anti-clockwise direction, S value is minus half. Okay. So for this orbital, plus half minus half. Total spin value 0 in this orbital. Here also plus half minus half 0. Here also plus half minus half. Total 0. So total spin angular momentum quantum number. Total spin angular momentum quantum number for completely filled subshells. Total 0. For empty orbitals, there are no electrons. If there are no electrons, no spin. So here S value is also 0. Okay, right. So that is the point. Completely filled or empty subshells contribute nothing to L or S because the sums of L comma S, the total of L comma S value, total of L value 0, S value 0, L plus S value 0. Okay, right. The total of L comma S value for a filled or empty subshell is 0. Okay. Then the term symbol for such system is 1s0. 1s0. Why? Because what is the term symbol notation? 2s plus 1 Lj. This is the term symbol. Okay, right. 2s plus 1 Lj. Okay. For completely filled orbitals, S value is 0. Okay. L value is 0. J value is 0. Okay. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1. Okay, 1. If L equal to 1, then okay. If L equal to 1, then which orbital? It is denoted by S. If L equal to 0, it is S. Okay, 1s. J value, what is J value? J equal to L plus S. L value 0, S value 0. So total 0 plus 0, 0. So J value 0. Okay, this is the term symbol. For S0, P0, D0 electronic configurations. S0, P0, D0 electronic configuration. Okay, if completely filled means in s orbital completely filled means 2 electrons are there. P orbital completely filled means how many electrons are there? P orbital completely filled means 6 electrons are there. D orbital completely filled means how many electrons are there? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So totally 10. Okay. For S0, P0, D0, S2, P6, D10 orbitals, term symbol is denoted by 1s0. Okay. Any confusion with this? Okay, right. Now, for incompletely filled subshells, the procedure to determine term symbol is to write different possible ways in which the electron can be arranged in the orbital represented by a simple method that is called pigeonhole diagram. Okay, right. Whatever. Now, let us go for microstate. What is microstate? Each different arrangement of electron in a set of orbitals is called microstate. What is microstate? Each different arrangement of electron in a set of orbital is called microstate. I will explain. For this, a formula is there. You know NCR formula, that is NCR NR formula, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the formula where n is the twice the number of orbitals. N is the twice the number of orbitals. Twice the number of orbitals means if a number of orbitals are 2, then n value is 2 into 2. If number of orbitals are 3, then n is 2 into 3, 6. If number of orbitals are 5, okay, n value is 2 into 5, 10. And r is the number of electrons. R is the number of electrons. Let us go to example. For P2 configuration. For P2 configuration. For P2 configuration, nr value. Okay, right. For P2 configuration, n value how much? N value. N is the twice the number of orbitals. Okay. P orbitals how many are there? P orbitals how many are there? 1, 2, 3 are there. 1, 2, 3 are there. N value is the twice the number of orbitals. How many orbitals are there? 3 p orbitals are there. N is the twice the number of orbitals. So 2 into 3. 2 into 3 means 6. Okay. Then what is the formula? N factorial. N value 6 here. How 6? Total 3 p orbitals are there. So n is the twice the number of orbitals. 2 into 3, 6. So 6 factorial by r factorial. R means number of electrons. How many number of electrons are there? 2. So 2 factorial into n minus r factorial. N is 6 minus r value is 2. 6 minus 2 factorial. So 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 6 minus 2, 4 factorial. Okay. 6 factorial means how can you write? 6 into 5 into 3 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So here how can you write? 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 4 factor gets cancelled. 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 2 into 1 means 2. 2, 6, 3 times. 3 into 5, 15. So for P2 configuration, okay, then different arrangement of electrons in a set of orbitals is microstate. So for P2 configuration, 15 is the answer. For P2 electronic configuration, 15 microstates are there. For example, D2 electronic configuration. For D2 electronic configuration, how many microstates are there? How can you calculate? D2. How many orbitals? 5 orbitals. So n factorial means 2 into 5, 10 factorial by how many number of electrons are there? 2. 2 factorial into n minus r factorial, 10 minus 2 factorial. So you can calculate 45 microstates. Okay. So this is the introduction for term symbols. Okay. In next video, let us discuss about LS coupling or RS coupling. This is Russell-Sanders coupling and JJ coupling. Okay. In that particular video, I will explain the term symbols for different electronic configuration. So this is the introductory video for term symbol. Thank you for your kind attention to this video.